Let's learn the words for small injuries in Turkish. Okay, what do you call this in Turkish? Morluk. Morluk. Düştükten sonra kolum morardı. Düştükten sonra kolum morardı. Okay, so what about this? So let's say this happened to you after you burn your finger a little. You can say, parmağım su topladı. Parmağım su topladı. I hate this one, by the way. This looks painful. So this is a kesik. Kesik. If you cut your finger when you're chopping something, you can say, parmağımı kestim. Parmağımı kestim. What about this? So if you want a word that you can use for more than one situation, you can use yara. Yara. For example, you can say, bacağımda yara var. Bacağımda yara var. How many of these words did you guess correctly? Let me know in the comments below.